Today is the big day for our team at Makers, premiering tonight on PBS, 8 p.m. Eastern, a film about the fight for true equality. Not Done, Women Remaking America, chronicles the seismic eruption of the women's movement from the 2016 election through today. Here's Makers founder Dylan McGee on how Verizon is playing a crucial role in this fight for women's equality.
Makers is proud to be a Verizon Media brand and in the Verizon family, and we're excited to be the first recipient of Verizon's Future Fund, which is an initiative to support new and emerging female talent across entertainment and technology. We know Not Done will touch the hearts and minds of the women and non-binary employees at Verizon, but we also hope it creates a ripple effect of change for equality around the world.
Again, you can tune in or stream tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern on PBS. In the spirit of Not Done, our own Tammy Irwin, Christy Pambianchi, and Rima Qureshi co-authored a powerful letter on behalf of the Verizon Sisterhood, which includes female leaders from across the business. Now, this letter addresses COVID-19's impact on the workforce and new data that reveals more and more women are downshifting their careers right now. Here's an excerpt from that letter. If we don't stand up right now, we risk setting women's rights back by decades, losing an entire generation of contributions at the start of too many promising careers. We invite you not just to read the letter on LinkedIn and Inside Verizon, consider how you could be a part of the solution. Tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern, join us for the next episode of Next 20. Verizon Media's Tatiana Pyle moderates a panel with disability rights activists to address the intersection of disability and race and the continued barriers people with disabilities face despite being the largest minority group in the U.S. And as we wait for tonight's premiere of Not Done, we leave you with the groundbreaking journey of Verizon mechanic Patty Alonso.
Patty's story was captured shortly before the COVID-19 pandemic.
My name is Patricia Alonso. I'm a mechanic from Verizon. My job is unique because I'm the only female mechanic there. I like to make things with my hands. So this is a lamp I make with a projector, and I make a lamp with an Edison bulb. I made the kitchen. Everything was made by scratch. I grew in Mexico. I was very close with my dad. Hola, ¿cómo están?
Estamos listos.
Sí.
Presentes.
That kind of father always guide you to do the right thing. No restrictions like hold you back. This is not for man, this is not for woman. He always know I want to be a mechanic. He teach me this is the tools. You have to memorize, organize, give me the screwdriver, basic things. For the first moment that I started school, they say it's not for women, so you cannot do it. They say you will struggle, I will make you difficult. You have to be good or you have to go. Every test, I'm failed, and I'm failed, and I'm failed. I had to stand up, do it again. And finally, I start to earn the respect. When I was 29, I decided to come to America. You see the movies, women's driving trucks, flying planes, doing mechanic. I knew it would be difficulties. I knew it would be worse because no speak English, no family. So I had to start from the bottom again. So I see opportunity to learn. I taught myself English. Jobs in America was no different like in Mexico. The environment is dominated by men. I had to walk all Hudson County giving applications. And they said, yeah, we'll call you. So when I saw the job in Verizon, I said, oh, I don't know if Verizon had the mechanics. So, well, let me apply. Verizon is always have a good reputation, equality. That would make me feel safe. What I love about my job is the challenge, thinking, analyze, the learning, the use my hands, the hear the engine, maintenance, change the oils, inspection the vehicles, you take care of the tires, you clean the brakes, make inspections, you have to get it done because those vehicles have to be safe. No, everything is dark. You have to fight. Yes, nothing is impossible. You will face difficulties. Sometimes it's physical pain, emotional pain, but go and get it. Do it. I hope the woman who coming behind me, she don't have to face these things. I already cleaned the path.